Alright guys, so it's 2016 Honda Pilot. We're going to continue the job. I'm going to show you guys how to compress this caliper and do it properly. And you see all this corrosion in here. Down the road, we're going to replace this caliper, but we should be able to get another year or so out of it. But I want you to clean the edges here. There's a lot of dust here before you even compress this piston. And if you want, take a little bit of a brake cleaner, spray this on it. It's gonna dry instantly. So spray some of this. Pretty good. There you go. I'm gonna go grab a rag. So this is the rag we got. I am gonna put a little bit of W40 or any type of lubrication that can okay, this is no good. Let me go get another W40. So another W40. Spray that onto your rag. And I like to do this because what this does is it lubricates the seal and it gives the lubrication for it to go in properly. So just rub that all around on it. Now what we're gonna do is you're not gonna need any special tools here. They do want to sell you a special tool. So what you want to do is take one of your old brake pads. Let's move the camera to this side so you guys can see it from this side. And bring my light down. Now what we're going to do is we're going to put this guy right here, okay? Very simple. I'm going to go get my compress tool next. Next step. Get your compress tool. You can use a C-clamp, whatever you got. Usually they want to sell you a special tool that's going to grab both pistons, which has a wider base, and it goes through this whole thing. But you don't need all that. You don't need a special tool for the bolt and the water. So what we're going to do here is I like to put my finger right here, just like that. Grab it. So this is going to work like a clamp here. But it's really easy, okay? You're just going to guide it. Squeeze one side. The other side, just guide it. If your caliper is super squeezed, super jammed, it's not gonna work out. But what we don't want to allow is, as you're pushing this piston in, you don't want this piston to come out. So that's all you're doing here. If you have power, you could just push it back just like that. You see that? Compressing both of them at the same time. Okay, I got one side flush, and then once you're done with the one side, the other side is automatically gonna start to go in. Just like that. She-bang. Perfect. Compressed in and ready to get back together. Okay, so what we're gonna do next is we're gonna prep our bracket and we're gonna put a little bit of greasing. You see this guy right here, rubber boot. Make sure you keep that rubber boot same position on the top. And I'm gonna explain to you at the end of the video why that rubber boot is on the top.